Most effective conflict resolution techniques. In your classroom, you're bound to come across conflict. It's virtually unavoidable. Actions like a student using another student's property without permission or unprovoked contact, for example, can actually lead to major conflict. This indicates that few initial contacts are predatory, but conflict escalates rapidly. Violent acts are not the result of absence of values, but according to the authors, are from a value system that accepts violence. Role-playing can bring a level of levity to conflict resolution. When students are placed in opposing roles than what they may play in a real-life situation, it teaches them empathy and forces them to look at actions from another point of view. As an assignment, have students observe and track various conflicts that they either witness or are involved in over a period of time. These can be tracked in a journal and written without specifically identifying other students. Many conflicts start because of misunderstandings and miscommunication. Teaching students good listening habits can be an important tool. If there are conflicts in the classroom, having the involved students sit down to write about it serves a couple of purposes. What do you do to resolve conflicts? Share your opinions via comments below.